Hi student, today I am going to the reasoning exercise number 22.1. I am going to the first question that's saying that who is the immediate right to Frank when Frank, John, Sonia, Phillips and Saunders are sitting around the circle facing the center. So here the two statements are given. According to the first statement, Philip is the third to the right of Frank, and B statement, John is in between Frank and Saunders. So as we are watching that, with the help of both the statements, we cannot find out the any conclusion. So here correct option is D. Neither A nor B is sufficient. Now going to the question number 2. Question number 2 is saying that who is the fastest among A, B, C, D and E. Statements are given. Statement A is faster than C and D but not than E. That means E is faster than A. In the second statement, it is given that B is faster than E. So using both the statement, we can find out that B is the fastest one. So correct option will be option number E. Both A and B are required to answer the question. Going to the question number 3. What is the color of an apple called as? Blue is called green, red is called yellow, yellow is called blue. Apple is of red color. So according to the statement, to find out the correct answer, we require both the A and B. That means both statements are required. So correct option will be the E. Now going to the fourth question. Which game is played the most in XYZ Academy? Where statement A is given, XYZ Academy won most football matches, and B is saying that XYZ Academy has facilities for football, cricket, volleyball, squash and basketball. So as we are observing that they won the most football matches, so that means here only statement A is required. That means they are played most game in football. So option number A is correct. Similarly, you have to do the remaining questions of this exercise. Now I am going to the next exercise. Here the first question is saying that in which year was Rahul born? Statements are given. Rahul at present is 25 years younger to his mother, and B is saying that Rahul's brother who was born in 1964 is 35 years younger to his mother. So simply as we know that here both the statements are required to find out the answer. So correct option will be E. Now going to the second question. What will be the total weight of 10 poles, each of the same weight? Statements are given. 1/4 of the weight of each pole is 5 kg. So with the help of this, we can find out the full weight of the full pole. And B saying that the total weight of the 3 poles is 20 kg, more than the total weight of the 2 poles. So here we can find out the answer from this statement also. So that means each one is sufficient to find out the answer. So here the correct option will be the B, if only statement B is sufficient. Now going to the question number 3. How many children does M have? H is the only daughter of X, who is wife of M. It means M has only one child, that is the H, only daughter. So here this is sufficient to find out the answer. So correct option will be the A. Now going to the fourth question. The last Sunday of March 2006 fell on which date? And statements are given. The first Sunday of the month fell on 5th date. And the second statement is saying that the last day of the month, that month was Friday. So here we are observing that by using the separately single statement, we are able to find out the answer. So that means with the help of any one, we can find out the answer.